Banana pudding. Ingredients: 1½ cups of ice cold water. 1 can sweetened condensed milk, 14 ounces. 3 cups heavy cream. 1 box vanilla instant pudding mix, 3.4 ounces. 1 box Nilla Wafers, 12 ounces. 4 cups banana slices. Directions: beat together the water and condensed milk in a large bowl for 2 minutes to make sure they are well combined. Stir in the pudding mix and continue beating for 2 more minutes. Cover and store it in the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours to let the pudding set. Otherwise, it can become watery. Whip the heavy cream in a large bowl until it makes stiff peaks. Carefully fold the whipped cream into the pudding mixture. You can make the dessert in a large glass bowl, 9x13 baking pan, or in individual portions using fancy glasses, paper containers, or china cups. The options are endless. If you don't want to spend time making it in separate containers, use a large baking pan or glass bowl. Cover the bottom of the container with 1/3 of the Nilla Wafers, and don't worry if they overlap. Spread a layer of banana slices, which should be 1/3 of the whole amount. Layer 1/3 of the pudding mixture. Do this twice more until there's no more Nilla Wafers, bananas, and pudding mixture. Cover tightly and garnish with wafer crumbs or additional wafers on top. Store it in the fridge for 4 to 8 hours to let the pudding set. If you like to garnish with banana slices, wait to add them right before serving. Enjoy!